Bostik's Best is a high-performance adhesive and moisture control membrane. Its superior properties provide a tough, flexible, tenacious bond to a variety of surfaces, including concrete, plywood, ceramic tile, cement backerboard, and many others. Bostik's Best high tacking formula exhibits exceptional green grab immediately after troweling, making installation easier and more secure. This adhesive has low VOCs and does not contain any water. In addition, Bostik's Best contains Bostik's Blockade antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold, or mildew on the surface of the cured adhesive. Bostik's Best may be used to adhere all engineered solid, bamboo, cork, and parquet hardwood flooring. Its superior elasticity allows the adhesive to move with the wood as it expands and contracts with changes in humidity and temperature, and can bridge cracks up to 1/8 inch, which can occur in the substrate prior to or after installation. In order to form a membrane that functions properly for moisture vapor protection, the right trowel needs to be selected to achieve both 100% coverage of the substrate and 100% transfer to the back of the flooring. Be sure to read the technical and safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the data sheet for Bostik's Best, wood flooring urethane adhesive and moisture vapor control.